So hi guys, it just started to rain just a minute ago, so I'm going to show you how bad it is in Bowling Green. Like, if you guys can't see that, that's like halfway, it's like moving. Next, a sidewalk, flooded, driveway, flooded, 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 so bad. This is how Ohio looks when it rains. This bad. Other cars are getting wet. Except my grandma's. My grandpa's truck is all time wet. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. We didn't have dinner yet, so that's good. You got another one? What are you gonna do with that other one? My grandma's making a fresh, good vegetable pizza. It's the best. Oh my god, guys. If you don't see that, oh my god. Oh my god. Are you gonna make cupcakes?
No, Kenzie.
What are you making? I'm gonna look outside and you guys get to tell me. You can hear that. Like, you can hear that so loudly. This is all wet. Like, look at that. Over there is that flooded. My trampoline, that's gonna get flooded. That's gonna be flooded. You can hear it, guys. Like, you can hear it big, big time. It's peaceful in my house, but it's like pulling down rain outside. Like, that's so weird. You're making another vegetable pizza?
No.
Are you making cookies?
Who are you talking to?
My own self. It's pouring outside.
It's pouring outside. Yes, it is.
Like, you can't even hear it yet. Like, it's not even like, you can hear it, but it's not like the whole outside is not getting wet. Like, in the back porch, it's not even getting wet.
It's not.
No. I like the extra cookie dough. She's making vegetable pizza, and it's good. And I love this cookie dough. It's just sugar cookies. There's no like vegetable pizzas in it because like it's cookie dough as a bottom. It tastes like full-time cookie dough. Are you making one for us? Like, I love that extra cookie dough. You can even see this. Sugar hill. I'm getting all the extra off. So you guys can't see. I'll go back and like you will. So ready? Boom! So it's raining. What are you making in the pot?
Potatoes for dinner?
Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes,
for dinner.
potatoes, potatoes. This is what we all have in a drink. Oh, bikes are great. What helmet? I wish we put it on bikes in somewhere where it couldn't get wet, but everywhere get wet. So guys, I'm gonna end it here on the video because I'm about to be playing Roblox. So bye. Peace, I love you.